4 things to do to avoid being sick after got caught in the rain. In the rainy season, outdoors activities would be more at risk of getting caught in the rain. The effect is certainly not good for the body and health. After the rain, usually, we will more easily get sick, from dizziness, fever, flu, to cough. So, if it is already rain and avoids getting sick, try to do the following 4 things. 1. Change clothes immediately. After the rain, there is one thing to do, that is to change clothes immediately. Although the clothes are not wet, it is better to immediately replace all clothes to avoid getting cold. It is better to shower with warm water first. 2. Dry hair immediately. After bathing with warm water, dry the body and hair. Wet hair can cause cold and dizzy. So, after bathing, try to dry your hair immediately. 3. Consume warm foods and warm drinks. After bathing with warm water, we must have felt more comfortable. However, it is better to immediately consume warm drinks or warm foods. At least try to make hot tea mixed with honey or lemon. Not only make the body warmer, honey or lemon contains vitamin C that can prevent the flu. 4. Do light stretching. The last thing you can do after getting caught in the rain is to do a little light stretching. Doing a light stretching can make the body warmer. Not only that, stretching can also smooth the blood flow. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe Natural Benefits channel, like and comment.